Hi everyone, today we will see how we can use Google Lens. Also, I wonder why you want to use a Google Lens. Maybe because there's something that you don't know what it is, but you want to know what it is, so you just use Google Lenses to search about it. Or maybe you have a picture, on that picture there's a language that you don't understand, so you just want to know what it is written here, so you're just using Google Lens. Or whatever the reason it could be for you to use Google Lens, but in this video I'll show you how you can do that. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description, you can check that as well. So let's get start the video. So if you don't know what a Google Lens, here you could see this Google search bar. On the right side of the search bar you could see this camera icon. This is called Google Lens. If you click on that, through this feature we can search anything. If we have like a picture, so you could use this picture to search anything, whatever in this picture or whatever related to that picture. So here we have few options. On the left side we have an option which says translation. So if you have anything which is in a language that you don't understand or speak, so if you want its translation, so you could use that picture and then Google Lens will search out what it is written into English or any other language of your choice. So first we will see how we can translate. So I clicked on it, then I clicked on my photo gallery, then select a picture in which there's something written in a different language. Now it's selected into English. You could see if you just want to select any other language, so you could select from there. You can select any language that is available here, then it will translate that language into your selected language. So here you could see this one. So whatever language you speak, you can select that one. Then the picture will be translated into the selected language. After clicking on text, here you could search anything. Like if you have a text, you want to know what it is, or maybe something related to it like articles or whatever, you just want to know about it, so you just select it and then Google will search for you. After we have a search option, through this option you could search any kind of picture that you don't know what it is. So here you could see this picture, it just said that it's a green parrot. After that you have a homework, you can search it. If you have a like a math equation, you can search it and can get to know about related articles to it, or maybe its solution or anything related to it which might be helpful for you. Here at the below it shows searches related to that math equation. After that we just click on the shopping. So if for example if you have this bag and you want to know more about it, you just search it through picture and then Google will show something related to it. After we have places, if you have a picture of a place, just put it in it and it will scan it and then will tell you where it is and what's its name. After that we have this dining option. Through this you could search for different restaurants. So that's how, if you have a picture or maybe something in front of you, so you could search it through your camera or through your mobile phone gallery. You just have to put that picture into Google Lens and then Google Lens will search about it, and whatever comes related to it or may be helpful for you, it will show you, so you could get help from it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can use Google Lens. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more videos, and thank you for watching this video.